Step into the world of ornamental grasses with Carex Feather Falls, a graceful and elegant addition to gardens and landscapes. Known for its distinctive feathery plumes and cascading foliage, this Carex variety brings a touch of softness and movement to outdoor spaces. This Carex variety is a modern cultivar selected for its aesthetic appeal and adaptability. While its specific origin may not be traced to a particular region, Carex species in general are found in various habitats worldwide, from woodlands to wetlands. Carex Feather Falls features arching, narrow leaves that form a graceful fountain-like habit. The foliage is green, providing a neutral backdrop for the star of the show, the feathery plumes. These plumes resemble a waterfall, emerge in late spring to early summer, adding a soft and ethereal quality to the plant. Thriving in moist, well-draining soil, Carex Feather Falls prefers partial to full shade. While it can tolerate a range of soil types, consistently moist conditions are essential for optimum growth. This Carex variety is suitable for planting in borders, woodland gardens, or containers. Carex Feather Falls harmonizes well with other variety garden companions. Its fine texture and cascading form make it an excellent companion for bold leaf plants such as hostas or ferns. Planting it near water features enhances the sense of movement, creating a serene and dynamic atmosphere. Beyond its ornamental value, Carex Feather Falls is valued for its ability to add texture and interest to shaded or woodland gardens. Its feathery plumes make it an attractive focal point, and the cascading foliage lends a softness that complements various garden styles. It can also be featured in containers for patios or balconies. Their dense growth provides habitat and cover for small wildlife, fostering biodiversity. In conclusion, Carex Feather Falls is a testament to the beauty of ornamental grasses. Its graceful form and feathery plumes bring a sense of movement and tranquility to gardens. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights to the fascinating world of plants.